मूवमेंट की बात करते हैं, मूवमेंट की तो बाद में बात करेंगे, पहले इस मोमेंट की बात कर लेते हैं कि किस तरीके से विराट कोहली जब एंटर हो रहे थे तो कैसे क्राउड
Yet to get off the mark is Virat Kohli. He got a peach, first delivery. Coming into him again, no ball again. There's a little extra effort on the part of the bowler. I'm fine with that. The effort that you need to get a player like Virat Kohli out. But a huge no ball this. Effort is one thing and effort wasted is another. And that was a wasted effort for me. But what a moment. We talk about iconic moments in this iconic stadium, Rajat. And this surely is an iconic moment for sure. 12 years it's taken him to come and play on this hallowed turf. Can he get a big 100, a big double 100 perhaps? Well, he seems to be under the cosh at the moment.
और देखिए वो जो नो बॉल्स हो रही है ना, वो शायद इस वजह से भी क्योंकि आप तेज़ गति से गेंदबाजी करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, वो जो एफर्ट मारने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, उसमें कई बार आप वो जो स्ट्राइड होता है आखिरी उसको लंबा कर बैठते हैं। पर सामने अगर विराट कोहली है तो अपनी नर्व्स को काम करना बहुत ज़रूरी है और यहाँ पे यही कोशिश रहनी चाहिए राहुल की।
Off the mark is Virat Kohli. That will calm his nerves and calm 10,000 other nerves in the ground and a million perhaps watching this game.
जी हाँ, हल्के हाथ से खेल के और रनिंग बिटवीन द विकेट्स, वहाँ पे आपको उस तरीके का तालमेल रखना पड़ेगा विराट कोहली के साथ, खासकर जिस तरीके से ये भागते हैं आपको बिल्कुल तैयार रहना पड़ेगा। और ये मोमेंट सिर्फ एक गेंदबाज के लिए नहीं, इनका कहना था।
Well, that shows the commitment that this man on your screen has for the game of cricket, and no one can doubt that commitment, the contribution that he's made, the joy that he's brought on a billion faces in this country mad about cricket. Let's take a look at that off the middle of the bat. So a temporary loss in form, Rajat, just doesn't take anything away from this great man on your screen. He's been there, he's done that year after year, year after year, match after match for the country. So everyone watching this telecast, probably one of the greatest to don those India colours. A successful batsman, a successful captain. He will go down in the annals of Indian cricket as perhaps one of the greatest to have donned its colours. And what a proud feeling to have that India flag on his helmet. Well, oohs and ahs galore, but Virat Kohli survives, much to the delight of this huge crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in the national capital.
कमाल की डिलीवरी डाली यहाँ पे कुणाल ने। विराट कोहली आखिरी समय तक ऐसा लगा उनको कि बिल्कुल बॉल उनके बैट के नीचे है, पर बीट होते हुए।
There they are. They've come out nice and early. So all the negative thought around Virat Kohli, the negative comments that have been made in the recent past, can just be put to rest by the kind of achievements that we're showing of him. Well, it's really well bowled again, sparring outside that off stump. Luckily, he didn't get an edge. And just to commemorate the 100 test matches that Virat Kohli has played for the country, the Delhi District Cricket Association and its head, Mr. Rohan Jaitley, are felicitating Virat Kohli this evening at 4:30 at the Arun Jaitley Stadium. And what a gesture this. Just two others apart from Virat Kohli have played 100 test matches for India from Delhi. Virendra Sehwag, the legend, and Ishant Sharma. Just the three of them have played 100 test matches or more for this magnificent country of ours. And there it is. What a tribute this to Virat Kohli. The pavilion named after him. Great gesture this again from the DDCA. They've named this as the Virat Kohli Pavilion. You have the Gautam Gambhir end, you have the Mohinder Amarnath stand, the late Bishan Singh Bedi stand as well. We'll come back to that. At the moment, Delhi 82 for 2 and it's time for a draw.
तो आप देख सकते हैं कि जो रोटेशन है वो उस तरीके से चल रही है कि जो वो प्रेशर को बरकरार रखा जाए। स्पिनर्स को बहुत जल्दी इंट्रोड्यूस करेंगे नहीं, क्योंकि जानते हैं कि कोहली अभी क्रीज पे आए हैं और कोहली शुरू में कुछ ऐसी तरीके से खेल रहे हैं कि जहां पे मुझे लग रहा है कि अभी वो भी चाहते हैं कि जितना थोड़ा बहुत समय बिता लेंगे उसके बाद अपने स्ट्रोक्स को खेलें। तो आसान नहीं है, पर जो गेंदबाजी हो रही है वो लाजवाब अब तक।
He'll have to re-bowl that. Just someone not ready. Rajat, you were talking about the 2006 match, Karnataka versus Delhi. The game that he lost. Of trivia on that. How people have moved on, but Virat Kohli has been like the Rock of Gibraltar for Delhi. Let's take a look at that again. 446 is what they got. Uthappa got 161 in reply. Kohli 90. And if you take a look at that bowling card there, 5 for 58 was Akhil Balchandra. Incidentally, he's the match referee in this game today. What a coincidence that is. Balchandra Akhil, I saw them having a little bit of a chat, perhaps discussing that game. And there it is, 5 for 58, perhaps the only 5-wicket haul that Akhil picked up in his career against this man and this team. Good achievement that.
जी हाँ, कर्नाटका के लिए रॉबिन उथप्पा ने 161 बनाए थे और दिल्ली के लिए कोहली ने तो 90 बनाए थे, पर पुनीत बिष्ट ने 156 रन बनाए थे। अखिल जो अब मैच रेफरी हैं, इस मैच में उन्होंने 5 विकेट हॉल जरूर लिया था। ये स्ट्रोक में विश्वास दिखा है, इस स्ट्रोक में वो बात दिखी है जिसके लिए कोहली जाने जाते हैं। बॉल की पिच पे गए और करारा स्ट्रोक खेलते हुए तीर की माफी एकदम सीधा।
Well, just stamping his authority there is Virat Kohli. Just a little shimmy down the track and just bludgeoned that really. He gave it everything, and lucky for the bowler that he didn't get his foot on the ball. That would have been some damage to his shin. Very lucky there, the bowler, on that occasion. Virat Kohli now 6 of 14. Oh, he's gone! Big moment this. Virat Kohli's off stump. Knocked back. Sweet revenge this for Sangwan. And Delhi lose their 3rd wicket. And the crowd at the Arun Jaitley Stadium has absolutely gone silent.
जी हाँ, ये लम्हा सांगवान को हमेशा याद रहेगा। इससे पिछली गेंद पे चौका जरूर खाया था, पर इस गेंद को बैट और पैड के बीच में से उस गैप को निकालते हुए ऑफ स्टंप को इस तरीके से उड़ाते हुए विराट कोहली को पेविलियन भिजवाते हुए। जी हाँ, विराट कोहली पेविलियन लौटते हुए केवल 6 रन बना के दिल्ली मुश्किलों में 86 पे 3।